Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can add address, your home address or working address in your Google account. Okay, so this is really gonna show tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So you can go Google account through your Gmail, or you can go through Google Chrome or any browser. So simply click on your Gmail app, and then you have to click your profile icon at top right corner on your screen. So this one, so I'm going to click on the profile. Once I click there, then you have to click Google account. Once you click Google account, then you'll see your Google account homepage, and then click here the personal info. So this one, personal info, simply click on personal info. Once you click personal info, then you scroll down a little bit, then here you'll get the option address, this one, and this is the part, like this part, and this is the three option of home, work, and other address. So simply click home. Once you click, then you have to put here your home address here, or you have to give your address, like which country you belong to, your district, your city, your home address. Your working address, you can give your company name, your business working time, anything, and you can add extra more address if you have, or if you think. So it's really simple. You can do this, or you can change it later. So okay friend, today is Noma, and thank you for watching the video.